Lose weight. Hidden dangers of processed foods. Fast foods are comprised of high levels of calories. The truth is that this food lacks essential nutrients that the body requires in its operations. These types of foods have a high concentration of fat, sugar, and salt. They are addictive and are sometimes quick to prepare as well as to eat. Junk foods have both short and long-term effects. Research indicates that millennials are the most affected and usually spend half of their budget on junk food. Some of the dangers of junk food include headache. Many fast foods contain sodium, which increases the chances of having headaches. It is also known for causing water retention, hence leading to bloating. High consumption of sodium is dangerous to people suffering from high blood pressure. Diabetes. The blood sugar increases as a result of digestion of junk foods. The sugar in junk foods move into the blood system, therefore elevating the blood sugar. The body can also get sugar from the fat. In response to the glucose released, the pancreas reacts by releasing insulin, which is responsible for transporting sugar in the body. If there's a high intake of carbs, then the response by insulin loses strength, leading to type 2 diabetes. Obesity. Fast foods contain excess calories that are well known for weight gain. Excessive weight gain may eventually lead to obesity. There are problems associated with being obese, such as respiratory problems. One could suffer from shortness of breath as a result of an excessive increase in weight. The extra weight increases pressure on the heart as well as the lungs. Reproductive system. Junk food may affect fertility. Phthalates, which is in unhealthy food, impact the activities of hormones in the body. Exposure to high levels of phthalates can affect the reproductive system, thus leading to infertility or congenital disabilities. Energy levels. Junk food doesn't have the necessary nutrients that are needed in the body for one to remain healthy. Continuous consumption of processed foods may lead to one feeling fatigued. It may also lead to a lack of the necessary energy to undertake daily tasks. High sugar levels are likely to stress metabolic activities.